Today, it's all about the upper body, the connection between the neck, the shoulders, the chest, and the upper back. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. So come on, let's get started. We begin for a moment just loosening up the shoulders, rolling each shoulder up and back and down. And again, you can invite your head and your neck to come along for the ride. Today we're going to use the alphabet to stretch out the shoulders. So thinking about the letters I, T, and Y. Forming the letter I by taking your hands out to the side and back as much as feels comfortable. So your palms are facing the wall in front of you, and you just bring your hands back to whatever degree feels comfortable. Let's just bring them forward and back a little bit so that we feel that range of motion in the shoulders. Try to sit without arching your back, shoulders nice and relaxed. And let's shake that out. The letter T. So hands are out to the side, a little bit below shoulder level, and your palms are facing forward, your thumb is up. Taking small movements, almost like a bird flapping wings, taking your arms wide open behind you, feeling that stretch in the shoulders. And let that down and relax. Roll your shoulders if that feels comfortable. And now bringing your arms up into the letter Y. If you have discomfort in your shoulders and if raising them above your head feels uncomfortable, then you can keep your arms in cactus. Keep them a little bit below the shoulders. But if you don't have discomfort, an option is to form the letter Y. And again, a small movement back. And boy, you feel this in the shoulders, I'm sure. A few times. And let that down. Oh, we need a shoulder roll after that one. So we'll try all 3 letters together. The I, the T, and the Y. And here we are. Just get yourself nice and sturdy in your chair. Hands are out to the side, palms facing forward, stretching back in I, coming up, stretching back in T, coming up, stretching in Y. Back to T, back to I, up to T, reach to the sky for Y, T, I, T, Y, whatever degree feels comfortable, whatever speed feels comfortable. Slowing down. Remember, you can keep your arms in cactus instead of a full Y. That would look like this. T, I, one more round. T, Y, T, I. Oh, and roll those shoulders out. They've done a lot of work today. And boy, does this shoulder roll feel nice right now. And coming into stillness. And that's it. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. Namaste, dear friends.